got a Hellcat blower. Got a 5.7 that I had my boy bore out to a 394. We did a whole stroker kit from MMX. What up, YouTube? We coming back to y'all with another build series. This one, we actually got a Ram 1500 in here. This thing's getting a Hellcat blower. It's getting a built motor, long tube headers, fuel system, bunch of stuff, man. So y'all stay tuned. Well, this is the condition that the last shop left the vehicle in. As you can see, there's no engine. A lot of the harness and the lines are all cut up.
Damn, son.
So I gotta go through, figure out what's missing, figure out what's cut up. I was looking under here, I did see a few wires like this. All right, so let's start this build series on this Dodge Ram 1500. I'm gonna go ahead, get the timing set, got the cam plate, some Loctite, the bolts. I got the MDS plug. I'm gonna pull the heads back off, throw the lifters in once I have the timing set. I was just waiting on a couple of components that were on back order for the motor. I got everything here, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on this. All right, so I had a time lapse when I was doing the timing and I was having issues because I was actually missing this little spacer here. I got the spacer ordered and then I just got a new tensioner and a new guide. It's a new build, fresh motor. Might as well replace these components while you're in here. You see this one definitely has some wear and tear on it. I mean, it's just a plastic guide, but about to be making some more power. So while we're in here, might as well replace those little things, but get the blower on it, as you guys can see. Got it on the engine stand, and just getting everything mocked up, waiting for the front drive system and all that to put it on, make sure I have no pulley issues or alignment problems, and then I'll pull the blower, everything back off, and we'll actually get the motor laid in the truck. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this oil pump installed. Just like that. Timing set. Just need the timing cover. Customer ordered the Hellcat timing cover set. Comes with alternator, power steering pulley, all that. I had to modify the factory oil pan because it stuck out about that much further than the timing cover for the Hellcat. So FYI, if you're doing the swap. So I got all the push rods in place, intake and exhaust side. You can see the other ones sit across the top. And then I'm getting the valve covers put on right now. The oil pan all mounted up. Had to drill the extra holes back here in the Hellcat gasket. And then I just utilized the gasket bolts just to hold the gasket firm. Even though the Hemi oil pan doesn't require that. I had to drill a hole here in the gasket and here. On to the next day, ready for the motor to go in. Got the transmission up. We had to wait on these transmission lines right here to come in, but we got those in, out of the way. Got the motor mount brackets on the engine. Headers are on. Got it all chained up, getting ready to throw the motor inside the truck. So let's go ahead and get this thing in.
You want to see it? You want to see it?
Yeah!
You want to see it?
So the engine is in, as you can see. We got both engine mounts in place. So we're gonna go ahead, start tackling stuff and get the blower put on, get all the front accessories assembled on the truck. As you can see, it's coming together.